So, like I said earlier, animal entertainment are like the pinnacle of animal abuse, and it relates to killing. But for sure, the road to preventing this thing to be stopped is easier said than done. What if we could prevent this animal cruelty from happening again in the near future? I will 100% sure that the case like Harambe will not be happening again, thus preventing any kind of animal killing occur. I would also like to mention the death of Malayan tiger who named Iko that had been shot dead on 29 December 2021 that just occurred last year at Naples, Florida, United States at the Naples Zoo. The cause of the death was Iko bit the hands of the worker that giving him food. I know that one of zoo's policy are they keep all kinds of animal, especially endangered species, to prevent them from extinction. But in this scenario, they killed the endangered Malayan tiger, which are the population estimated around to having only 80 to 120 alive around the world. Can you imagine that? Okay, so that should be a very concerning number to us because future people might not be able to get to know and see the species. The thing is, the poor Malayan tiger should not be in behind the cage of the Naples Zoo in the first place. From the situation, we get to know that we might contributing on some endangered animal species to be alive quite longer if we don't just keep them in a captivity like the zoo and kill them one by one. In terms of the animal side of their life, they will be having a much better life by not getting abused by trainer and not given enough food to sustain their food appetite. We must let the animal cycle going through peacefully as it should have been a long time ago without us human interrupting them. To sum up, I hope people have a very brief understanding about how cruel the world of animal entertainment is. Yeah, there is always two sides of story which is a good and a bad about the animal entertainment such like the zoo. But there are a lot of bad than good itself. So it's overshadowing the purpose of the zoo itself. But people mindset on animal entertainment, but how enjoyable and fun the zoo and the circuses should be changed. We need to get them know what's behind the scenes of these kind of place are doing towards the poor animals. The mentality of not having a thoughts and sympathy towards those animals should be thrown away because animals are just like us. The only thing that separates us between them are we have intellect. If these poor animals could speak to us about how cruel humans treat them, we could never use them as object for entertainment, thus abuse them and kill them. So that's all from me. Thank you.